The Samsung Galaxy A36 emerges as a mid-range smartphone that aims to balance functionality, performance, and affordability, making it a strong contender in its category. One of the most notable improvements is its upgraded front camera, which, although slightly reduced in megapixels compared to its predecessor, is expected to deliver enhanced photo quality due to advanced lens technology and improved image processing software. The phone also boasts a large 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and smooth transitions for a more immersive user experience, whether for gaming, streaming, or everyday browsing. Performance-wise, the device is equipped with a Snapdragon processor paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM, ensuring a seamless experience for multitasking, running apps, and handling moderate gaming. Launching with Android 15, the Galaxy A36 provides the latest features, improved customization options, and enhanced security, ensuring the device stays relevant and functional for a longer period. Additionally, its sleek design and slim profile give it a modern aesthetic, though it utilizes a plastic back, which might not feel as premium as glass or metal. The phone is powered by a 5,000 mAh battery, which is expected to deliver decent longevity, although the thinner design might slightly impact its overall battery capacity. The 50MP main sensor, accompanied by an ultra-wide and macro lens, promises versatility in photography, but the overall camera setup remains largely unchanged from its predecessor, which might not excite users looking for significant advancements. Charging speeds are capped at 25W for wired charging, and the absence of wireless charging might be a drawback for those who value convenience. Despite these limitations, the Galaxy A36 strikes a good balance for users who prioritize an updated display, reliable performance, and modern software, even if it sacrifices some premium features and innovative upgrades in favor of affordability and practicality.